Hello! In this video, I'm going to walk us through the process of translating videos using the SmartCat platform. Let's say you have a lovely educational video or maybe a recording of someone speaking, but you really want to make sure that is accessible for everyone to see and hear. That's where SmartCat comes in. We'll allow you to take any video you have, add closed captions both in the source and target language, as well as dub over using AI voices so that you have a video that's now localized. Let me show you how this works. For this demo, I'm going to be using this video here. It's 50 seconds long with an AI-generated avatar, but you can use any video you want. I'll simply come into the platform, create a translation project, and give it a name, set a deadline for when I want that video completely turned around by, let's say by Friday, and then just select the languages I want to translate into. Let's do Spanish, Chinese Simplified, and Dutch. We support over 280 different languages and dialects, so we should be able to support the ones that your company needs. Now, I'll simply drag and drop my file in and see the magic happen. So what our AI is going to do is first take a listen at the video to transcribe the entire English content so that you have a full transcript of English that you can download as a closed caption. We'll give you the ability to actually edit this content so that if the audio quality is bad or our AI mishears something, you can fix that before it goes through that translation process. Next, we'll look at the translation of the video and give you the ability to edit the translation to really make sure it's conveying the messages clearly in that secondary language. Finally, we'll utilize an AI dubbing voice that will allow you to output that video in an entirely new language with any voice of your choosing. Let's look at what this looks like. As you can see, what we have is the closed captions of English on the left-hand side. Like I mentioned, you'll have the ability to make any adjustments or changes to this English transcription as needed. Maybe I'm really excited about flexible project management, and so I'll just change this to an exclamation point. Our AI will automatically align the text to all the timing within the video, so no need to worry about that. Now, once I'm happy with all of the English text, as you can see, the Spanish will automatically populate so that we get an initial sweep of translation that will be done by AI. Again, you have full ability to invite a human in to actually review this translation for you, make any edits that they see necessary. I don't speak Spanish, so I won't add anything more than an exclamation point, but really ensure that the closed captions, when translated into Spanish, are capturing the right message you're trying to send. Now, as soon as they're done with the text, we'll be able to do two things. One, of course, download the subtitle file both in English and in Spanish, but then also dub this video over. Now, as you can see, if we select on the language, we have over 30 different voices you can choose from, ranging in genders, ages, accents, and the works. And so you can go ahead and choose someone who you think will match the voice of the person speaking. Let's start off with Bill. I think he sounds a little bit like a children's storybook narrator. Let's preview what he sounds like.
Hola a todos y bienvenidos a Agile Essentials, transición a la gestión flexible de proyectos.
But I don't know if Bill fits this individual's face too well, so let's see what other voices we have. This is Jessica. She talks very quickly, as denoted by her speed of speaking, which is this CPS.
Hola a todos y bienvenidos a Agile Essentials, transición a la gestión flexible de proyectos.
I like that. So now what we have is both the closed captions in English, Spanish, and any other language we chose, and then the ability to download this video either by itself with just the dubbed voice or with the subtitles embedded. Let's do that. Great, now that the video is downloaded, let's open it up and see the output.
Hola a todos y bienvenidos a Agile Essentials, transición a la gestión flexible de proyectos.
Great, now you have your video totally localized, accessible for everyone, and to be shared out with whomever needs it. Thanks so much for watching.